there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea.
Under the sea.
Under the sea.
Under the sea.
Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While we're devoting full time to floating under the sea. Down here, all the fish is happy as through the waves they roll. Oh, thank you. You have to No, you have to do the Unfortunate Souls. Yeah, 60, page 60.
I will fortunately know a little magic. It's a talent that I always have possessed. And here lately, please don't laugh. I use it on behalf of the miserable, lonely, and depressed. It's some music. Pathetic, poor, unfortunate souls in pain, in need. I'm not even saying.
the dramatic reading of the
Rachel, she was in the middle of the story. Wait, in the middle of her singing, she comes out and she's like,
La la la, sing across the way, sha la la. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her, and you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You want to kiss the girl, yes. You want to kiss the girl, yes. You want her. Look at her. You know you do. Possibly she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It doesn't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha la la la. Oh my! Look at the boy too. Shy is gonna kiss the girl. Shame. Too bad. He's gonna miss the girl.
what do you want to sing now?
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos and aplenty. I've got who's-its and what's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. Who cares? No big deal. I want more.
You have to hold that note. I want more.
I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling around down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wandering free.
Jordan's dancing
Wish
now.
I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of their waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand, stretch on land? They understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of
Hold this
sleeping,
note, Rachel.
ready to stand. Ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire? And why is it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above, out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that world.